when we talk about being a councilor, it's passing legislation
Yes.
in your municipality. So for both of you, you came from different backgrounds. May HRM, si Avon, you were
Travel management.
travel management, and for you, Nikki, HRM,
Yes.
hotel and restaurant, hotel and restaurant management,
Yes,
right?
hotel and restaurant management.
Did you think of taking any courses relating to law or public administration para matutunan ninyo rin yung paano gumawa ng mga resolutions or legislation in your municipality?
Sige, yes, right now, Karen, nag-study ako ng Masters in Management, major in Public Administration. Though hindi to alam ng ibang constituents namin because sa akin, I work silently. And then, pag natapos ko na siguro, saka ko dun isasabihin. Pero, ayun, I'm studying Public Administration for me to know more about the government complexities, lalo tigit pagdating sa decision-making in legislation and paggagawa ng resolutions and ordinances, bagamat natututunan natin to and pwedeng maituro. Pero iba din yung may school ka na mag-guide sa'yo. Though it will take time, it will take years bago matapos.
First year ka pa lang ba right now?
Graduating po. Graduating.
Malapit na.
Yes,
So, ilang years ba yan? 2 years yung
nung
course?
nanalo po ako, yung colleague ko, si Consihal Mafe, sabi niya, why not mag-aral ka din? Continue. Sabi ko, yes, open naman tayo sa possibilities. And sabi ko, mas maganda nga na mas marami tayong malalaman. So, I enroll Public Administration and hopefully sana ngayong taon matapos ko siya.
Dami mong binabalance, ha?
Yes.
So, school and work and also some of your family business. Yes. What about you, Nikki?
Ako rin actually planning na, naka-line up na talaga siya na mag-enter ako ng public administration na course. Kaso lang, nabuntis ako, nagkaanak ako. Kaya siguro, pagka malaki-laki na yung anak ko, maka 1-year-old man lang siya, enter na ako sa public administration course.
And how are you learning in terms of what to do as a councilor, yung passing legislation?
Passing legislations, nandito yung aming Secretary Fidel Suario, which is talagang siya, matagal na siya, ilang mayors na yung kanyang na suportahan. Talaga nandyan siya para willing siya magturo sa amin, mag-legislate, gumawa ng ordinances and resolutions. And yung amin namang team, talagang nagkakaisa naman siya, hand in hand, nagtutulungan naman kami lahat.